Hello friends, hope everybody is doing great. Oindrila from Modepunk Design from our studio Craft Adda, New Delhi. This video is again because of a very popular demand, and I am in continuous process of recreating the natural dye hand block of Ajrak craft. So I am completely making it on pure handloom and on various pure fabric. So today I would be showcasing another very interesting combination of Ajrak, craft of Ajrak with pigment blocks also. I mean, there are pigment block designs on the palla and craft of Ajrak on the body. So it is basically, I would call it an Ajrak process is about several stages, and it is done in Ajrakpur. Then the hand block, that is the pigment block, is done in Delhi. So it's a combination of various states. It's a marriage of various states and various craft. So let's begin. So this is the first sari. This is the first sari which I'm going to showcase. These are all natural dye Ajrak. See how beautiful has this block comes. These are all our designed, Modepunk designed patented blocks, hand blocks, wooden hand blocks, and the body is in Ajrak. So you can see this is indigo and madder root color. The body is like this. This is the body. That is the palla. Can you see? Such a brilliantly done palla with Buddha blessing us all, and the lotus. Lotus is flower of peace. So that's the whole palla. That is the whole palla, and that is the body. So that's the whole body. The cotton fabric here is made in West Bengal. It is woven in the looms of West Bengal. Rather, I would very be specific at the Bardhaman district with my weaver, and it is 100 count cotton, warp and weft 100 count cotton. So it is a complete handloom sari. It's a completely handloom and handcrafted sari. So that's the pleats. That is the pleat. That's the whole getup of the sari. Absolutely, very completely unique. I would say it's totally a new kind of design. I don't think you have seen something like this as yet, because it is something which I love to create individually and very uniquely. So that's the blouse. That part is the blouse. So the blouse and the sari combination. That's the blouse and the sari combination. Take a screenshot and please send it across, whoever wants it. The sari price, I would tell you, it's 5450, and this is plus shipping. The sari price is 5450 plus shipping. It was a request also for everybody to tell me the price. So I'm just listening to all my viewers and all my lovers. Second one, I never used to actually believe in telling the prices across here because it looks to be very commercial. But then for the ease of my patrons and my friends across, especially the YouTubers, my YouTube friends, because otherwise my Facebook and my Insta friends largely know me a lot. So they can always come off to my studio, but my YouTube friends, especially for them, I'm telling the prices. So this one is the second sari, and these are all absolute natural dye saris and perfect for summer. I mean, the summer is like, you would rule the summer with these kind of saris. So this is a peacock. It's a kalamkari peacock hand block. It's a kalamkari peacock hand block. See, beautiful peacock hand block on the palla. That's the palla. And the whole body, why I have given peacock is that the whole body has this kind of peacock feather ajrak, peacock feather type ajrak motifs, kind of. So it is like this. So the whole body has this combination. That's the whole body. So the pleats would come like this. The pleats would come like this, and that's the palla. The palla has a beautiful border, this kind of a selvage, and the blouse is this. The blouse is this lines. These lines are done on, this is the blouse piece. You can wear it with different kind of blouse piece also. So the same price goes for this, 5450 plus shipping. 5450 plus shipping. Within Delhi the shipping is 150, and outside Delhi it is 200 per sari. The third sari in this range, the third sari in this design, the third Ajrak sari in this design is this. I have given it Pichwai cow hand block. These are the Pichwai art is basically from Rajasthan, where it is the Krishna, Lord Krishna is the prominent figure and features always in Pichwai art. So that's the palla. There is a combination of black and maroon. The combination is black and maroon. So that's the palla. The palla is in lighter version. It's like this. It's very smart and elegant, with the rest of the body having this kind of a beautiful ajrak. Excellent. It's a very traditional block. Very nice block. So the sleeves, the pleats will be like this. 100 count cotton handloom sari. Absolutely hand woven sari. That's the palla. And that's the body. And the blouse has this kind of border get up. So that's the blouse. So that is the whole combination. Right? Sari number 4. This is sari number 4. I have designed this earlier also, but this time it comes with a different set of concept. It is so soft and supple because being pure cotton and hand woven, the saris have a lovely combination. See the sari. So that's indigo boxes. With that I have given a bel patta. It's kind of a bel patta leaf block. So the sari has this kind of a get-up. All absolutely natural dye. You can see from the colors, no dark jarring colors. It's completely muted, extremely elegant color combination. So that's the whole sari. See, that's the whole sari. These blocks run in the lower border, and the lower border also has this kind of temples. The upper border also has this kind of temples, and the blouse piece is in indigo with this kind of temple. The blouse piece is in indigo. These are various shades of indigo. So that's the complete sari. And whatever you see is this faded effect. It is all because of the natural dye and handcraft. Okay. Another ajrak on Madurai cotton. I love to develop Madurai cottons because Madurai cottons are one of my most favorite weave in simple, humble cotton, cotton base. So this is also another rich indigo color. So this is the Madurai cotton sari. And so that's the indigo block. The indigo and green. Can you see the green color? That's the block. It's extremely beautiful. I have given the green color because this is a sap green. It is a sap green border. This is a dark sap green border. This has a dark sap green, sap green, or I can say forest green. This is a dark forest green color. So this forest green, so this is a green and blue combination. The whole sari is a green and blue combination with woven zari border, as it comes in Madurai cotton. So that's the palla. The palla is another very nicely dyed solid this forest green color with zari, and that's the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece. Okay, so this sari is priced at 4800 plus shipping. 4800 plus shipping. Since I'm a lover of experimentation, and I do experiments with various fabric and craft, so this is a pure chiffon sari. I have developed Ajrak craft on pure chiffon. Can you see the chiffon? It's marvelous. See, this is the palla. The body has this polka dots. This polka dots is the body, and the whole. It's the height of a sensual creation. A chiffon ajrak is the height of a sensual creation. See, that's the whole sari. That's the palla. That's the palla. And that's the sari. Extremely beautiful. And this is a Dola silk. It is basically a cotton silk, satin cotton silk blouse piece. There is a sheen on it, so it's called Dola silk. So that's the blouse with the sari. That's the blouse piece. Another chiffon, another elegant chiffon. Now the previous, it's almost similar to designing. Only thing is that the dots inside here is blue. That dot was rust. So here the dots are in indigo. So the palla comes like this. A little bit of difference in the palla. A little bit of difference in the palla. So the palla comes like this. And here the dots are in blue color. It's in indigo shade. The dots are blue color. So whoever likes whatever shade color can just pick it up. So that's the whole sari. The whole sari has this dots and the border. That's the body of the sari, dot and border. And this is the modal silk blouse piece. This has a modal silk blouse piece. This sari has a modal silk blouse piece. So that's the one. Actually the previous one is also modal silk. I'm sorry, it's not Dola silk. The previous one is also modal silk. So that is the sari. Now both the chiffons are priced at 5700. Both the chiffons are priced at 5700 plus shipping. Shipping is always additional. I don't quote shipping within the price, so shipping is additional. 5700. जॉर्जेट कहाँ गया? हाँ, क्या हो गया था? This is a georgette one. This is a georgette sari. Now what is this georgette? This is a viscose georgette called 6060. So it's fiber. Viscose is a natural fiber and it's cotton by viscose. So that's the georgette. It's called viscose georgette. So that is the palla. See the intricacy of the palla. See the intricacy. How exceptionally beautiful. This is a complete heritage palla. Complete heritage palla with this kind of a contemporary body design. It's a geometric body design, contemporary body design. So that's the whole body. That's the whole body. And so that's the whole getup. That's the palla and that's the body. Extremely beautiful, isn't it? Very, very elegant and smart. And this is the blouse. This part is the blouse. So that's the blouse. It's in modal silk. The blouse is in modal silk. So that's the combination of the sari and blouse. Yeah. Quickly, the price of this sari is again 5700 plus shipping. The sari is 5500, not 57. 5500 plus shipping. So that's the end of this ajrak. The previous ajraks are there. I'll quickly showcase two of the hand blocks. There are two of the Chanderi hand blocks in natural dye. So I'll just showcase them quickly. These are Chanderi sarees, pure Chanderi, cotton Chanderi sarees with hand block. These are all Jaipur craft. The craft from Jaipur. So this is one combination. This is one combination. Whoever is lover of indigo should go for it. So that has green, that has that that green and mehendi green and indigo kind of a combination. So the whole sari is like this, and that's the palla. That is the palla, beautiful palla, and the blouse also here. The blouse is from here. So that's a simple tone. That's a simple hand block blouse. So these are all the dye blocks. I mean, not the pigment blocks. So these are fabric dye colors which are being used as natural dyes, and then the whole sari is being done. So this is for this sari is for 3200 plus shipping. 3200 plus shipping. The another sari in this is really very beautiful. One of my very favorite one. So this is another very favorite one. So this has this mehendi color. This has this. This is the palla. This is the palla. Extremely beautiful palla, and this is the whole body, and it's all over flower in the body. All over flower in the body. So that's the palla, and the blouse piece is like this. Very nice contemporary design in the blouse. Smart, nice contemporary design in the blouse. So we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much. Please write to me and do let me know. Thank you.